Hello dear viewers all. On this video, I will show you how to fix hard disk partition not showing or detecting while installing Windows 11 or Windows 10 with the following error message. We couldn't find any drivers. To get a storage, click Load Driver. This error is commonly seen in computers integrated with 11th generation or newer processor, as these processors support Intel Rapid Storage Technology, IRST or RST, with VMD controller or Intel Registered Volume Management device. Enabling VMD if available, will enhance the performance and speed of NVMe SSD up to 200% or more. However, you have to load the VMD or RST driver during Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation in order to show the disk partitions. Also, if VMD option enabled in a computer that hasn't the VMD device, the disk will not show during installation even after loading the VMD driver, or you may boot into a blue screen with inaccessible boot device or no bootable boot device error message. This video will help you to fix we couldn't find any drivers issue in both situations. First solution, how to load the VMD driver during Windows installation. Search for your computer model in the official website support page, using either service tag or model number. Locate the zip file of RST or VMD driver and install it. If there is no zip file, download the exe file instead. Open the exe file to extract it. Select Extract Only option and click Next. Memorize the path of extraction and then click Next. Navigate to the extracted folder and send it to the bootable USB of Windows. If there is no VMD or IRST driver, download the zip driver from Intel website. After downloading the driver, extract it to the bootable USB. Now, back to Installation Wizard of Windows. Click on Load Driver option and then select Browse option. Select the USB pen drive and then open the folder of the VMD driver. Click OK to continue. Select iastorevd.sys file or iastorevd.inf file and then click Next to load the selected driver. As you can see, the disk partitions are shown after loading the VMD driver. If the disk partitions not shown, try again by selecting another iastorevd file, or try to use the driver downloaded from Intel website if the first one was downloaded from manufacturer website and vice versa. If the partitions still hidden after previous trials, it's probably that the VMD option was enabled in BIOS while your computer doesn't contain the VMD controller device. This may happen due to model variants that may exclude the VMD device in some models even if the BIOS firmware contains the CMD option. Also, it may happen after disk replacement or downgrading the computer's hardware. In both cases, you have to disable VMD option from BIOS or UEFI settings as instructed on the next part of the video. Second solution, how to disable VMD controller from BIOS settings. To disable VMD, you have to open BIOS settings as followings. Power on your computer. Once you see the manufacturer logo, press F2 key repeatedly to open BIOS settings. This is the list of common hotkeys to open BIOS settings in different brands. In American Megatrends BIOS, open Advanced Mode from options in the lower right corner. Navigate to Advanced Panel. Open RST or VMD Setup menu and then disable VMD Controller option. Change boot order if you want to boot from the USB without opening boot menu. After that, click on Save and Exit option to boot from the USB. As you can see, the disk partitions are shown after disabling the VMD mode. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.